Now, if you have any doubts about LiveGood, let me be the one to confirm to you that LiveGood is one of the best affiliate marketing / network marketing opportunities out there. A lot of people are joining LiveGood and a lot of people are making money with LiveGood, but there is another opportunity out there that is just as good, if not better, than LiveGood. All right, so before I get started with this video, let me just make one thing perfectly clear. I am a current active member of LiveGood. I'm currently making money with LiveGood and super excited about the LiveGood opportunity. But with that being said, there is another opportunity out there that is not getting as much buzz as LiveGood, but in my opinion, it might be better than LiveGood. I'm about to go over 3 reasons why this opportunity might be better than LiveGood. Now, the opportunity that I'm talking about is called Nexus Rewards. Now, Nexus Rewards is another new affiliate marketing / network marketing opportunity that gives people the chance to build a nice monthly recurring income. Now, when it comes to LiveGood, their whole business model is based around offering high quality supplements at very affordable prices. Now, when it comes to Nexus Rewards, they're all about discounts and savings when it comes to shopping on or offline. Now, once again, I am a current member of both of these opportunities and they both are really, really good. Now, with all of the buzz that LiveGood's been getting, I'm over here like, man, this is dope. But like, people missing out over here on Nexus Rewards, they sleeping on some money. So let me give you 3 reasons why you could potentially say that Nexus Rewards is actually a better opportunity than LiveGood. Reason number 1 is that Nexus Rewards has a broader appeal. All right. Now, although LiveGood, they're all about healthy supplements and everything, they're pretty much in, the health and wellness. So it could turn off a lot of people, even though the earning potential is great with LiveGood. But some people just aren't into, supplements. That's just not their thing. They don't mess with products like that. They could care less about supplements. Whereas with Nexus Rewards, they're all about helping people save money and actually get money back whenever they shop on or offline. Now, in my opinion, more people will be attracted to the idea of, getting discounts when they shop, even getting cash back every time they shop on or offline while building their own monthly income. So with that being said, Nexus Rewards might be a little easier to promote than LiveGood. Now, a second reason why Nexus Rewards might actually be a better opportunity than LiveGood is the earning potential. Now, both of these opportunities, I'm gonna be honest with you, they both got crazy earning potential. So when you take somebody who is super successful in LiveGood versus somebody who is super successful with Nexus Rewards, they both gonna be making a lot of money on a monthly basis. But let's just take the idea of 100 people. All right. So say you went out and you recruited 100 people to LiveGood. All right. Now, because of the way LiveGood's pay structure is set up, you do get a $25 commission whenever you bring a new affiliate into the business. Now you get that commission, boom. So with 100 people that you bring in directly to your LiveGood business, you're gonna get $2,500. Boom, that's dope. That's nice, right? $2,500 you're gonna get. And with that, because of the pay structure of LiveGood, you're going to get a recurring $25 a month off of that 100 people that you bring in. So keep in mind, $2,500 up front, bam, dope. And you're gonna get $25 every month, right? Assuming we stop at 100 people, we just getting 100 people, all right? Now, with Nexus Rewards, if you bring in 100 people direct, you bring in 100 people, you're going to get $1,000, right? $1,000. But you're going to get this on a monthly basis. So what that means is if you bring somebody in April, you're going to get, if you got 100 people in April, that's $1,000, right? And then if them 100 people stay in May, 1,000, June, 1,000, July, 1,000, right? So whereas if you bring 100 people in with LiveGood, right, your second month of doing that, you're going to get $25. Your second month with Nexus Rewards, you're getting $1,000. See what I mean? Now let me make another quick, very important point when it comes to, both of these opportunities. If you bring in 100 people into LiveGood, right? Yes, you're only getting $25, a month from your matrix system. But keep in mind, if you got 100 people, that's going to qualify you for like some matching bonuses. So you're probably going to get a lot more money than that on a monthly basis because, you're going to get 50% matches on the people that you bring in. And that also goes for Nexus Rewards. If you bring 100 people in to Nexus Rewards, that's going to qualify you to receive, some 50% matching bonuses on everybody who you bring in. So both of those numbers for both companies should be a lot more than that. But that's still going to make Nexus Rewards paying you a lot more money. And the third reason why Nexus Rewards might be better than LiveGood is because of the retention rate. Now, I obviously don't have data or nothing in front of me. This is just my opinion. But even looking at the 100 people in LiveGood versus 100 people in Nexus Rewards, who are more likely to quit? Who are more likely to drop their membership? Now, when it comes to LiveGood, which is a $10 a month membership fee, yeah, most likely people should stay for a long time, to be honest with you. But I could see people being like, after a while, like, okay, I'm not even into this supplement thing no more. I ain't feeling it, whatever, right? Versus Nexus Rewards, who is $22 a month, which is actually more than LiveGood, but all of the benefits that you get with your $22 membership goes beyond just being able to get supplements at a discount, right? That $22 is going to give you consistent access to all of these discounts and saving apps and all of these added programs for $22 a month. So most likely a person is going to want to stick with Nexus Rewards, especially if they're continually getting discounts. Why would they quit Nexus Rewards? Like, it wouldn't make sense, right? And to be fair, it really wouldn't make sense to quit either one. But if you had to drop one, right, like, it probably would be LiveGood, right? But like I said, I am a member of both of these opportunities, so I'm super excited about both of them because they both have great earning potential. I'm making money with both of them, so I'm good either way. So if you want to check out LiveGood for yourself, or you want to check out Nexus Rewards, I will put both links in the description of this video so you could join one, or you could even be like me and join both of them. So do me a favor, after you check out both of these opportunities, comment below and let me know which one do you think is better, and let me know which one did you join. All right, I will see you in the next video.